the best IQ option strategy that never let me down. All right, my latest session was in September the 6th. As you can see, this is my latest trade. It was perfect, almost perfect. So I made $249. It was profitable, amazing, straight to the point. See, it was clear. Yeah, it was perfect. All right, so for my students, before I start trading, for my students, those who have access to my course, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There is some new updates to our strategy, the way we use MACD especially. So chapter 5, episode 3, due to some changes happening in the market, we had to update the strategy. So let's open the first down position. This one is going down, the first down position. So as I was saying, we had to change the strategy. From time to time, we update the strategy, and we use this channel to update you with any new events happening related to our trading strategy. So, and if you want or you are interested in learning our binary option strategy, you can do it through our trading course that is in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. Of course, if you are not interested in buying our course, that's totally okay. You can learn different free strategies out there from YouTube and different articles. You can even develop your own strategy. But I'm sorry for those asking for free access to our course. This will not be possible. The course will never be free, and there will be no discount. All right. Hope this is clear, and this is a response to all the emails and messages we are getting. So the first win, yeah, the first win. I guess that we are going to see another red candle or another down position. So we already made, but this time, this session, as you can see, this one was clear. This session is somehow better than the last session. It was in September the 6th, 3 days ago. Yeah, so the market wasn't really clear. I had some doubt. For example, here, I had some doubt. But here, as you can see, a straight to the point, clear downtrend. So let's open another downtrend with $100 as usual. So guys, I'm using, as you can see, Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, RSI, and MACD. These four indicators are the main technical indicators used on my strategy. Yeah, there is some type of trading that doesn't depend on technical indicators, and you don't have to use technical indicators most of the time. It's possible. I'm not saying that it's not possible, but it's possible to trade assets without relying completely on technical indicators, just by employing various alternative approaches. There's some methods. These methods often involve strategies based on fundamental analysis, price actions, market sentiment, or sometimes quantitative analysis. For example, my favorite one is price action trading. What's price action trading is the study of raw price movement, and studying different markets on a chart without the use of technical indicators. So the trader or traders focus on, this is the second win. I guess, let me just take a look and I will finish my sentence. Yeah. So this one is better than the old one. This one was critical. But this one here, yeah, here the market not bad. I'm not saying that it's bad. Let's go up. Next, let's go up. I believe that this is the end of this this downtrend. Yeah, it's the end of this downtrend. We will start see some green taking place here. So as I was saying, guys, I said that so price action trading is based not on technical indicators, but focus on patterns, support and resistance levels, and sometimes the psychology behind price movement. So different the key concepts. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay because now we are seeing the reversal. Now we are going to start seeing the green candles. I guess now we are going to open long positions. Yeah, we are going to open long positions. All right, with $100, let's go up and hopefully we are going to make a win this time. So as I was saying, key concepts are of price action movement is support and resistance level. I believe that everybody knows it. Everybody use it. Most of the traders use support and resistance lines and levels. This way, you identify key price levels where the asset tends to reverse or pose. Like in this case here, I'm seeing a line and a key level. That's why the market is making a reversal. But I'm not using the price action trade-in. This one, not a mistake, but somehow the market started flipping and starting reverse, making a reversal, and that's why we did not make a win. But this one was clear. This one was easy. Next, I believe that no. Next, we will see the sellers trying to push down the market. So let's go down. I don't believe that this is a start of another downtrend. Just bear with me and trust me here. The market will try to go a little bit down and then it will start going up. All right. So as I was saying, also with the price action trading, you will see sometimes traders use candlestick patterns. This concept is based on drawing some shapes and drawing some different patterns such as pin bars, engulfing patterns. Just search these terms. I don't trust this type of patterns a lot. I have my own patterns. Of course, if you are interested in learning my trading patterns, you can watch the chapter 4 and chapter 6. All the chart patterns that I use are explained there. Also, some people use the inside bars, of course, and the reverse inside bars. This gives insight into the market sentiment. Also, using price action trading, if you are not using technical indicators, you can use breakouts. So it's a effective and reliable method or concept. The breakouts. You just look for breakouts. Traders focus on price breaking above resistance or below support levels to catch a strong movement. Another win. So as I was saying, the market now will start seeing an uptrend. Yeah, we start seeing an uptrend. Let's go up next. This is trying to trick me into believing that there is a downtrend taking place, but the indicators are saying that no, it will be an uptrend next. So as I was saying, price action trading is also a nice way to trade without using technical indicators. You can also use fundamental analysis, but price action is something also reliable that I love sometimes because there is no reliance on lagging indicators. And this is what I hate about technical indicators. The indicators, most of them are lagging indicators. They will mislead you if you don't know or you're mistakenly using them. Let's go up again. Even with red candles, I'm winning a high positions. Crazy, right? This is when you trust your strategy. Even you are seeing everything saying no, go down, but my strategy is telling me to go up. I'm opening high positions and I'm winning. This is beautiful, right? So back to our price action trading method without using technical indicators that are lagging. Also, you will have direct focus on market behavior and price movement. So instead of looking at the indicators and focusing on the indicators, now you are focusing on market behavior and price movement and seeing what's happening when the yeah. So see, now we are starting to see green candles. Beautiful. I believe that this is the last trade. Yeah, I believe that this is going to be the last trade. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before starting to trade binary options. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here, because this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not saying that it's easy. Please be careful, you may lose your money. Please start with demo account, develop your own strategy, or buy a good strategy that you really trust, test it and keep testing it until you are experienced enough to use real money. I hope that this is the last trade. We made enough. Beautiful. Yeah, it's time to stop. I guess it's time to stop. Now it's starting to become a little unclear. All right. See you later.